Namaste students. Welcome to our educational channel PAATHSHALA Pandit. I am Ayus Bhattacharya. In this channel, you will get all the videos related to the academics of maths and science. If you feel this video is really helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and also please subscribe to our channel. And yes, if you have any type of doubt in your mind, please post it in the comment section. I will surely reply to it. Thank you very much. Hello students. Today we will see how to find the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. So let's start. Sum of first n terms of an AP. We will learn about geometric progression or GP later in class 11. Today and in class 10 we will learn about arithmetic progression, which is AP. So first let me write the formula, then we will see how to derive it. Alright, so Sn, let's see an example like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a AP. Here fifth term, the fifth term is 5. So Sn means the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, means the sum till the nth term. The sum till the nth term is Sn equal to, let me rub this, Sn is equals to n by 2 square bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. You know all the definitions. N means the n terms, the number of terms. A means the first term of an AP. N again that number of terms. D means the common difference. All this we know. This was new and I explained it, means a sum. So now let's derive it. Let me write it. Derivation. Now see, in an AP, generally how we write an AP? The first term is A, the second term is, let me first define it, AP. Let's see an AP. This is A, the first term. This is A plus D, the second term. What is the third term? A plus D or A plus 2D? A plus 2D. Like this we can go on. And what is the final term? Tn. What is the Tn? It is A plus n minus 1 D. This we know. First, second, third, and this is the last term. Okay. So if we want to add it, how will we add? We will add like this. Let me write, their sum is Sn is equals to A plus D. I am putting it in brackets so that you can differentiate, means what is this term, what is this term. Okay, A plus 2D plus A plus n minus 1 D. Alright, this is how it goes. Now see, whenever we add, suppose I add 1 plus 2 plus 3, what is the answer? It is 6. Okay, now I can add like this also, 3 plus 2 plus 1, I can add like this also, which is also 6. Understood? Similar to this, I will do it here. Sn is equals to, I will reverse all the terms. Here 1, 2, 3 is reversed, becomes 3, 2, 1. Here I will reverse all the terms. How? A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. This is a whole term. Then comes A plus n minus 2 D. So this is continued till what term? Till A. Alright, because reverse, here 1 comes last, here A comes last, plus A. Alright, So this is Sn, this is also Sn. Now we will add these two equations. Okay, we will add these two equations. Let me write it in short. Reversing the terms. I am writing this so that you understand what is being done here. Okay, now we will add this. Now the addition I will show it here. Okay, see what is the addition. Okay, remember one thing, we have to number these equations. Okay, every time number the equations. This is 1, this is 2. Okay, and yeah, let's add this. Adding 1 and 2. First equation and second equation we are adding. What is the addition? 2 into Sn. See, Sn plus Sn becomes 2 into Sn is equals to A plus A. See, A plus n minus 1 d. This becomes a whole sum. A plus n minus 1 d plus A plus n minus 1 d. Now we will move on to the next term. A plus d A plus d plus A plus A plus n minus 2 d. Okay, this is d. See, this is A, this we added with this. This is the second term, we have to add it this. This is the third term, we have to add it with this. Means the third term here. Okay, so remember, do not add A plus this. Do not add this with this. No, that is wrong. Whenever we see that we have to add an equation, we have to take first term, take first term, take second term, take second term, take third term, take third term. Okay, like this we have to continue. So this happened. Now we will have to simplify it. Let's add the last term also. We put dots and the last term is plus A plus n minus 1 d. Last term plus A. Okay, let me put square brackets here. Alright, so we found out. Now what we will have to do is simplify them. We will have to simplify them. So 2Sn is equals to 2A plus n minus 1 d plus here again 2A plus now see, I will simplify this one here. Okay, just in rough I will show you how it is being done. A plus d plus A plus n minus 2d. So A plus d plus A plus n d minus 2d. Correct, I opened the bracket. So 2A plus 2A plus 1 plus n minus 2 whole bracket d. A plus A I took out, 2A it became. Then what we will have to do? D plus nd plus minus 2d. This we will have to do. So I took out d and took all the other numbers and letters in a bracket. This is what I did. So what is the answer? 2A plus n minus 1d. This is the answer. Okay, so this we will have to write here again, n minus 1 d. Then it continued plus again here A plus A is 2A plus n minus 1 d. So what you can see, I am erasing this. Okay, I hope you understood what I am showing here. Let me erase this first. All right, so what we can see here, that this term 2a plus n minus 1d is being repeated. 2a plus n minus 1d, 2a plus n minus 1d, continued, 2a plus n minus 1d. It is being continued. Now, how many times it is being continued? See, here there is, how many terms are there in Sn? N terms, because we are adding n terms. So, there will of course be only n terms. So, this is 1, this is 2, 3 till nth. This is the nth term. Now, here also there are n terms. Now, if we add them, how many terms are there? Of course, n terms are there. This is 1, this is second, this is third, fourth, fifth till the nth term. This is also nth term. So, we are adding this term 2a plus n minus 1d. This term we are adding n times. We are adding it n times. Now, when we add something n times, what happens? Suppose 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. We are adding it 4 times. Okay. So, how many times it is being added? 4 times, which is equals to 8. Now, I can multiply it also. 2 multiplied by 4, it got added 4 times. So, I can multiply it by 4 directly, which is also 8. Correct. This is also 8. Similarly, I can do it here also. Wait, let me first show it, then I will erase that. 2Sn is equals to n 2a plus n minus 1d. I can do it, isn't it? I can do it. So, when this term arrives or this result arrives, only one step remains. What is that step? See, therefore, Sn is equals to n by 2. I brought this 2 here in the denominator. Okay. 2a plus n minus 1 d. Understood? This 2 came here, and the final result, which is this result only, is proved now. I am highlighting it. Remember, this result is also very important in class 10, class 11, class 12. This result is very important. In class 11 and 12, I am talking about science division. I don't know what happens in commerce or arts stream. In science stream, this formula and the previous formula, which is Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d, is very, very important. All right. Remember this nicely. Now, let's see a question. The question says, let's find the sum of first 100 terms of AP 14, 16, 18 continued. So, what is the data given here? What is given? It is given that, if you want, you can write it like this also. Given A is equals to 14. See, what is the term? Or wait, write it like this. It is more preferable. Given AP is 14, 16, 18. This is the AP given. Now, we will have to make the terms. This is the AP given. Now, we will have to convert it, or no, not convert it, means we have to name the terms. Like, what is A? Here, A is equals to 14. Correct. Of course, the first term is 14. Now, what is the n? What is the n given? Here n is given, sum of first 100 terms. So, n is equals to 100. Okay, n is equals to 100. And what is the d given? Yes, d. We know the d. Here you don't have to show it separately by subtracting. By subtracting 16 minus 14, then 18 minus 16. No, you know what is the difference. By seeing, you can infer the difference. So it is 2. By seeing only we can say it. So now directly apply the formula. Now, first write the formula. All right, writing the formula itself has some, I think, half marks. If you write the formula, it is going to give you half marks. Otherwise, that half marks will be cut if you directly apply it If you directly substitute the values, no, that will reduce the marks. So write the formula. Now Sn is equals to 2a plus, no wait, sorry, this is wrong, n by 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, we know this. So therefore Sn is equals to, not Sn, remember now you have to not write Sn. What you have to write? S 100, because you are substituting now. S 100 is equals to 100 by 2 multiplied by 14 plus 100 minus 1. What is d? D is 2. Right here, substitute it. Substituted. So come on, keep on solving now. What is 100 by 2? It is 50. What is 2 into 14? It is 28. Plus what is 100 minus 1? 99. What is 2 is 2? Okay, 2 is 2. Is equals to 50, 28 plus 99 multiplied by 2. 99 multiplied by 2 is 198. 198 is equals to 50 multiplied by, now you don't have to give the bracket sign, directly write the cross. 28 plus 198, what is it, the answer? It is 226. 226. And what is this answer? It is 11300. So this is the answer. And the statement that you have to write is the sum of first 100 terms is 11,300. Like this you have to end the answer. Follow these steps, write the formula correctly, substitute it correctly, and solve it correctly. You will be guaranteed given full marks. I think this is of 2 marks. I didn't see the marking scheme till now, but most probably it will be of 2 marks. Okay, 2 marks. Now we can derive a new formula from the sum of first n terms formula. Let's see how. See, we know the formula of sum of n terms, which is Sn is equals to n by 2a plus n minus 1 d. We know it. Now what can we do the manipulation? N by 2, here we can write a plus n minus 1 d. We can do this. Now see, what is t1? T1 is a, first term is a. What is Tn? It is a plus n minus 1 d. Is it right? Yes, it is right. So we can see a here, we can see Tn here, correct? So what can we do then? Sn is equals to n by 2 T1 plus Tn, or in another words, n by 2 first term plus last term. All right. See, this was a deviation or the new formula from the old formula. Both of them are useful. Maximum times this is useful. Sometimes this is more useful. Sometimes. Okay. But you have to remember this formula too. Okay. So this was it, and let us now see a question. Okay. So let's see a question. The question says, find the sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 150. So here, what is the AP formed? The AP is 1, 3, 5, 7 till, what is the last number given? 150. Okay, 150. Now what are the terms we have to write? We have to write here A is equals to, what is A? 1. What else can we write? D is equals to 2. We can see it and conclude. A is 1, D is 2. What is N? N can we find out right now? No, we cannot find out. So what can we find? Tn is given. Tn is equals to 150. Now see, here I have done a mistake. Can you find out what is the mistake here? Correct. 150 is an even number. 150 is an even number. So here it is written, we have to find the sum of all odd numbers. Odd numbers we have to find. It is given in question from 1 to 150, but do we have to consider 150? No. What is the number in the range from 1 to 150 that is odd at last? Means 1, 3, 5 continued, then comes 1, wait a minute, see 1, 2, 3 continued till 148, 149, 150. So we know here this is the first odd number, this is the second odd number, third, fourth, like this it will go on. What is the last odd number? The last odd number is 149. We cannot take 151 because it is not given to consider numbers beyond 150. We have to consider numbers before 150 only. So 149 is the last odd number. That we have to write as Tn. So here it is wrong. It is 149. Here we have to write 149. Okay. We have to find n now, because see, sum of odd numbers or sum of an AP, we require n, the number of terms in both formulae. In the n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d, in that also n is required, and the formula we just saw, which is n by 2 first term plus last term, here also n is required. So n we have to find. How to find n? We know another formula, nth term of an AP. So now let's find it. Now Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Correct. So first we wrote the formula, then we have to substitute everything. 149 is equals to 1 plus n minus 1. What is d? It is 2. Alright. Then we have to, of course, solve this n, that you all know how to solve. 149 is equals to 1 plus 2n minus 2. 149, convert everything here, 2n. Do not forget to put this therefore sign. 2n is 150. Alright, 2n is equals to 150. 150. Therefore n is equals to 75. So we found n, it is 75. Now what we have to find is Sn, that is written. So now again write now Sn. Now you see, you can use any of the formula. Let's do one thing, we will solve it by both the formula, okay? Then you will be in a clear head that how to use the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So therefore Sn is equals to, now do not write Sn, what we will have to write? 75. Yes, S75 is equals to 75 by 2, and this is 2 multiplied by what is a is 1, plus what is n? It is 75 minus 1, and what is d? It is 2. Okay, it is 2. So now keep on solving. 75 by 2, 2 plus 74 multiplied by 2, 75 by 2, 75 by 2, 2 plus 74 and 2 plus 148, okay, is equals to 75 by 2, 150 multiplied by 150, which is 75 multiplied by 75, okay, 75 into 75 is equals to, what is the answer? You can calculate in the rough column also, and the answer, if you calculate, it will turn out to be 5625. Let's see if it is the correct answer. It is the correct answer. So we found out by Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d formula that it is the answer is 5625. Now let's see by the second formula I taught you just now. In exam you have to use any of the formula. I don't think they will tell you to solve by this formula only or by that formula. No, you can use any formula. So let me show you the second formula method, how to solve it by second formula. The second formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 t1 plus tn. Correct. This is the formula. Is equals to 75 by 2. What is t1? The t1 is a, which is 1. What is tn? Tn is 149. 149, which is 75 by 2 multiplied by 150, which is 75 multiplied by 75, which is 5625. Okay. Then finally write the answer statement. So you can see the answer matches, and we can also see that this method is shorter and more easier, and you can use this method also, no problem. The answer statement, answer: the sum of the AP is 5625. Write the answer statement, conclude the answer. The question says sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300. Find its 28th term. Let's see the answer. So we have to first write what are the given things. Given sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300. So directly write given. What is given? First 3300, first 55 terms. So n is 55. By statement itself you can see it is 55. N is equals to 55. Now n 55, then the sum Sn is 3300. That is also given, isn't it? Find its 28th term. To find, what do we have to find? 28th term means T28. We have to find this. So now directly write the solution. What is the solution? Now see here, in such cases Sn is equals to n. Sn and then n is given. So Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. This is the formula. Now 3300 is equals to n by 2, 55 by 2 2a plus 55 minus 1. What is d? D. Now solve it. 6600 is equals to 55 2a plus 54 d. Correct. Therefore divide it now. 6600 by 55 is equals to 2a plus 54 d. Okay. Now see, now what we have to do is simplify this also. See, 2a plus 54d is given. We can divide it by 2. Okay, we can divide this thing by 2. So therefore 6600 by 55 multiplied by 2 means here in the denominator is equals to a plus 54 d. A plus 54 d. Oh no, sorry, it is not 54, it is 27. It is 27. Again you have to write now. Now here you may leave this in this part only. Now see, now Tn is equals to a plus, or wait, let me write it properly, a plus n minus 1 d. See, this is the formula of nth term of an AP. Now see, therefore T28 is equals to A. What is A? A plus 28 minus 1 D. Therefore T28 is equals to A plus 27 D. Okay. For name this equation 1, name this equation 2. Now see, A plus 27D we can see here, A plus 27D we can see here. We saw it. So, can we just say from 1 and 2 that T28 is equals to this number 6600 by 55 multiplied by 2. Can we say that? Of course we can say that. This number or this term and this term are same. So this term and this term will be same. Of course. Then we have to simplify this. This you can do. So 11600 by 5 by 2 is equals to 60. Yes. So the answer you can write like this. T28 is 60, or you can also write it by the 28th term of this AP is 60. You can write it like that also. Okay. So see how to find or how to identify such questions where you have to use this trick. Now what is given? 55 terms are given. 55 terms. And what we have to find? The 28th term. Always notice if the means what we have to find, the 28th term is a multiple or a half of 55 or 56. Means if you multiply this by 2, it will become 56, which is very near to 55. If you find this thing where only one number is added or minus, like 28 into 2 is 56, minus 1 is 55. In such cases, you will have to apply this trick. Okay, we have to find 28, 28 2s are 56, 55 is given. So it will be running in your mind that yes, you have to apply this trick. Then the question will be solved. Okay, now let's see another question. The question says, in an AP, sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. So what is given is sum of 3 consecutive terms, means Sn is equals to what is given? 27. Sn is 27. The product you can write it like this, product is 504. Or instead of writing Sn, if you are writing product, then write sum here. Presentation, you know. And above it write given. Do not forget to write given. Now we will have to find the solution here. We have to find the solution. How we will find? See, in such cases where sum is given, product is given. Sum is given, product is given. Yes, number of terms is also given. Number of terms, it is 3. Sum and product is given. Then as per the number of terms, you have to define the means the terms. How? You have to take A. Okay. Now the term ahead of A is what? It is A plus D, of course. Now the term before A is what? It is A minus D, isn't it? A plus D, A plus 2D. Similarly, A minus D, A minus 2D. We can go on like that. So here you have to consider this A minus D, A plus D. Suppose the number of terms was 4. Suppose. Then what you will have to do? Will we take this? No. In such cases, what you will have to do is take A minus D, take A plus D. Okay. First take this. Then take A plus 3D. And here you have to take A minus 3D. See what difference or what similarity can you find? In this 4, and if it is 3, then it is a minus d, a and a plus, a plus d. What similarity can you find is the difference is common. We have a common difference. How? A minus 3d and a minus d. What is the difference? 2 units. It is of 2 units. A minus 3d, then I add 2 to get a minus d. Again add 2 to get a plus d. Again add 2 to get a plus 3d. So the difference should be same. The difference should be same. Here what can we see? The difference is again same. A minus d, add 1 or add d, means anything. You have to add the same thing again and again. So add d becomes a, add d becomes a plus d. Here a minus 3d, add 2d, a minus d, add 2d, a plus d, and so on. So according to the situation you have to change it. Now suppose it will not be given, but still just for your proper understanding, if it is given 5, what will you do? You will take a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. This you will take. If 3 terms, then a minus d, a plus d. If there are 4 terms, remember, if it is even number of terms, then you will have to take it like this, means a minus 3d, then 2, there is a gap of 2, then a minus d, then again there is a gap of 2, then a plus d, like this. Suppose it is given number of terms as 6. Okay, so what will you do? A minus 5d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d, a plus 5d, like this. So you can understand now, if even number of terms is there, you have to take such terms that has an interval of 2 units. If odd number of terms are there, then you have to take intervals of 1 only, like here. So I hope you understood this concept. So now here number of terms is 4, means not 4, it is 3, isn't it? Yes, it is 3. So the AP, what AP we have to take? The AP is a minus d, a plus d, isn't it? It is an AP. So now add it. Therefore a minus d plus a plus a, no, wait, a plus d is equals to 27, isn't it? So minus d and d, it gets cancelled. You see, a plus a plus a plus a plus a plus d minus d, d and minus d equals to 27. So we can see this gets cancelled. 3a is equals to 27. Therefore a is equals to 9. Correct? A is equals to 9. We found out one property. What? A is equals to 9. Okay, don't rub this. A is equals to 9. The next thing we have to find is what? We have to find the d. We have to find d. How will you find the d? See, now product is also given. Product is also given. So now a minus d multiplied by a plus d is equals to 504, because it is the product, of course. Therefore I am writing the a first. Okay, 9 multiplied by 9 minus d multiplied by 9 plus d is equals to 504. Correct? Therefore 9 minus d and 9 plus d is equals to 504 divided by 9. 504 divided by 9 is 9 5 are 45 and 9 6 are 54. Okay, understood? So now we know the formula a minus b, a plus b it is. So what is a minus b multiplied by a plus b? It is a square minus b square. Therefore 81 minus d squared is equals to 56. Isn't it right? Of course it is right. Then d squared is equals to 81 minus 56 is equals to 9 10 11 5, 8 minus 5, 25. Yes, the answer is 25. Okay, so answer is 25. Then what is d? D is 5. Is it correct or is it wrong? It is wrong. See, 25 is equals to d squared. So what will be d? Is it only 5 or it will be minus 5 also? It will be minus 5 also. Okay, d is equal to 5 and minus 5. So instead of writing like this, we write it directly plus minus 5. It is plus minus 5. Okay, this we write. We got a, we got d. Now here we have to substitute. How will you write it? When d is equals to 5. Now see, some at one point we have to take d is equals to 5. At one point we have to take d is equals to minus 5. Okay, when d equal to 5, AP is a minus d, which is 9 minus 5, 9 and 9 plus 5, which is therefore AP is 4, 9, 14. This is one AP. What is the another possibility? The another possibility is when d equals to minus 5, AP is 9 minus minus 5, 9 and 9 plus minus 5. Isn't it correct? It is correct. 9 minus minus 5, 9, 9 plus minus 5. Therefore, AP is 14, 9 and 4. Alright, so we got two possibilities. One when d is equals to 5, another is when d is equals to minus 5. So underline them, and in the answer statement we have to write the AP is 4, 9, 14 and 14, 9 and 4. See, if you find that your answer is not properly matching, always remember this thing, that it will both the APs will be convert or reverse of each other. Like this is 4, 9, 14. The next AP will be 14, 9, 4. Like this you can verify that is my answer correct or wrong. Okay. So this is the last question, I think. Yes, it is the last question of sum of n terms of an AP. I hope you understood it well, and thank you very much.